make sure you sign the wall. You have to sign the wall. Please sign the wall. I need you to sign the wall because you the real MVP. School, work life, family life. I've been a little bit MIA, but I just wanted to tap back in, reintroduce myself, and introduce myself for the first time to some of y'all and let y'all know that I'm back in action. Relax. I'm here to help. Rod Naylor Jr. I'm an active duty Air Force. I'm currently serving. I'm stationed at Andrews Air Force Base or Joint Base Andrews. Why I got into aromatherapy, I have multiple combat tours under my belt.
And we were always looking for this guy named Charlie.
After our combat tours, we come home and we have R&R. Also in the Air Force and DOD wide, I'm sure, we have resiliency days and certain avenues that we can take in order to strengthen our mental wellness. Although the military does a great job, I think, at addressing our mental wellness, there are things that I know that work outside of the parameters of what the military itself does, and that's where I come in and I just, pick up the baton there. Candle making. Candle making is very peaceful for me. It's therapeutic. I feel like if it's therapeutic for me, more than likely it's therapeutic for a lot of other people too. So, do candle making workshops for birthdays, date nights, self-care. Of course, you can get as freaky and crazy as you want with your fragrance. Team building candle making workshops. It's almost like music. It's therapeutic. You could be feeling down, listen to the right song, and uplift you. Same thing with candles and all of our products, the body butters, everything. The scents, the fragrances, they have a physiological effect on you to where it can uplift your mood and energize you. It can change your mindset. It can make it so you can be your best self, or the highest form of yourself. So I hand make everything. I hand make my candles. I hand make the air and body mists. All right, so I have a teenager. How many of y'all got a teenager? He uses a particular brand of body spray. Some of y'all probably know. We probably all used it back, when we were 17 and thought it smelled good. It does not smell good. It contains a lot of things that's not supposed to be on your body. A lot of us don't know that. Well, a lot of us are ignorant to that. A lot of us just don't care. So here at Relax, we put your health first. Our air and body mist has natural ingredients and it's safe for your skin and it's safe for your health. It's not as concentrated as the other guys. So that means it's not gonna be as potent. It's not gonna be super strong, but a lot of people don't want it to be super strong anyway. It's subtle, but it's strong enough where you can smell it. And we want you to actually smell good. It's not to cover up no funk. It's not to mask the odor. It's so you can actually smell good. Witch hazel, vegetable glycerin, distilled water, and the fragrance oil. When it merges with your body chemistry, you could get a different type of vibe. You know what I mean? And that's good. It's not a bad vibe. It's all good. The best time to use this, don't play a full court game of basketball, then spray this on. Take a shower. Bathe yourself. Dry off. Just spray it on. Right? It's not gonna choke everybody around you. It's not a choking hazard. And guess what? Your body is gonna smell great. As you go throughout your day, you'll notice you ain't gonna be all funky and stuff like that, and you're gonna smell good. If you use it in tandem with the body butter, chef's kiss. I recommend, if you get the Ultra Black Air and Body Mist, get the Ultra Black Body Butter as well. They go great together. So I got all my new labels in. Shout out to Sticker It. So I had to start outsourcing my labels. As y'all know, I make my own labels for everything, but it's gotten to a point with business where I have to outsource some things. I can't in-house do everything in-house anymore. It's just too much going on, too many moving parts. And so I decided one of the first things I'm gonna do is outsource labels. I mean, I still do my own labels for the most part. A lot of these, so when you see all of these labels and these labels, I still do those myself. The first labels that I outsourced were the new No Bad Energy candle labels and these for the air and body mists. So I'm gonna be replacing these with these. This is what we're working with now. Get your air and body mist today. But again, I'm here to help educate and elevate. I don't want to hoard information. So any information that you want or need, Put it in the comments, let me know, and if I know it, I'm gonna make a video. Relax by Rodney Jr. We're located in Bethesda, Maryland, 4848 Battery Lane, Suite 100. Appreciate you being here. Make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe, follow all the social medias, YouTube, all of that. Blast this video all around the world and get people more hip to what we have going on, because I think we can help a whole lot of people. Matter of fact, I know we can help a whole lot of people. Peace, love, and light. Relax.